Imagine this, a seasonal tire change right at your doorstep with Rosie Dazzlers Mobile Auto Detailing. We bring professional tire services to you at home or office without disrupting your day. The secret? Time-saving, personalized service and no more waiting at the garage. But what's the catch? Well, you'll need a suitable space for the service to take place, and in emergency situations we might not be your quickest option. Yet the convenience is undeniable. Rosie Dazzlers tailors every tire change to the Canadian climate and your specific needs. Efficiency, professionalism, and quality brought directly to you. For more about our mobile tire change services, check out www.rosiedazzlers.ca. Rosie Dazzlers, we're not just changing tires, we're changing the game.